yeah, what's that? Yeah, wasn't that party last night like totally rad? I know.
Excuse me?
Can you see I'm busy? You gotta wait. Yeah, I know. Did you see her? It wasn't even funny.
Excuse me!
Can't you? You know what? I gotta call you back. There was an angry customer of mine. What do you want?
I would like to buy these little erasers for my daughter. She's just turning a few years old.
Oh, how sweet! That'll be... Oh, you want those too? Oh, you can get that.
Okay. Oh, and do you think for this, because I have a present, do you think I could get a discount for these? Because they said they were on sale.
Oh, those papers with those racers? Absolutely not.
No discount? But it said they were on sale.
Where'd you find them exactly? See, over
Right in that rack over there.
Yeah, but did you see the rest of them? They're over that way. On the more expensive rack. And so you know what? Let me see these. How many you getting? And then... That'll be $183, please.
Okay, actually, I'll just take one picture.
Okay.
I just want to know, is it your first day on the job? Because you're a little bad at this. No offense.
Excuse me? That's $144.
But I subtracted things.
How many? Except from 183, now you're 144.
I subtracted.
Yeah, 183 to 144.
You said 108.
Woo! Okay.
I thought
I'll
you
buy
said
it if I had more for you. Because
I
you know what?
thought you said 108. My bad. And why does it take you so long?
$84. Is that better? You better come back here. You know, customers these days. Hi, yeah, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. Some customer ran away with our stuff. Yeah, it's like she bank robbed us. But who cares anymore? No one cares about those things these days.